My name is Simmons. I'm a Journeyman Machinist, and I work mainly in the prototrack area in the machine shop. We make stainless steel parts. All the little fixtures and everything that you see on the tanks and vessels, probably from our area or the CNC area. I actually joined the military and I wanted to do something with my hands. I wanted to follow what my brother was doing in the military. And he was a construction CB, so I went to the recruiter and I was like, I want to do something like that. And they said, well, we don't have construction, but we got this. So I joined as a machinery repairman, and that's what got me into learning the lathes and mills, and continued doing that when I got out. I knew a guy that worked here from the military, actually. He got out before I did. Me and my wife that I also met in the military, neither one of us wanted to go back home, so we were just like, oh, we'll just give it a try in Springfield, Missouri. That's why I came out here at Holloway, and he kind of helped me get my foot in the door, and I've been here since. I met my wife in the military. We met on board the ship we were stationed on, USS Iwo Jima. Met on deployment. The day we left for deployment, we met and got back from deployment, and just the rest is history. And we had our first son 2 years ago. He'll be 3 in August. We got another one on the way. I'd say one of the most influential people in my life is my late Papa Jim. He was in a wheelchair for my whole life, my dad's whole life. I think the doctor told him he'd only live 7 years in a wheelchair, and he was in it for 53 years, I think. However my dad is, I think it's 53 years. Taught my dad everything he knows with his hands, and I learned from my dad and him. I got to see them work together. Taught me pretty much everything I needed to know with my hands. What I'm looking forward to the most is seeing where technology goes in the shop. We got a lot of newer technology in the machine world, and we got some old guys in the shop that have been around the block. They know the tricks of the trade and everything, and John Drudge kind of took me under his wing, helped me out, showed me the Holloway to do things. Everybody's there to help out. It's a team effort in the shop. Once you get in this family that Holloway has, I think you're pretty good off.